In the vast expanse of time, our story begins nearly 4 billion years ago, when the Earth was a barren and hostile place. Amidst this primordial chaos, tiny molecules started to self-assemble, giving birth to the first semblance of life, RNA. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, was the precursor to all life. It's a molecule that carries instructions from DNA for controlling the synthesis of proteins. However, before DNA came into the picture, RNA was on its own, replicating itself and evolving, kick-starting the long process of evolution. Fast forward 100 million years, the first DNA molecules appeared on the scene. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, was an improvement on RNA. It was more stable, more reliable, and could store more information. This was the dawn of the genetic era. For the next billion years, life existed as simple, single-celled organisms, floating in the ocean and soaking up the sun. But then, something remarkable happened. Some of these single cells started to band together, forming the first multicellular organisms. Another billion years passed, and these multicellular organisms had evolved into something we might recognize today as life. These were the first soft-bodied animals, the ediacarans, living in the ocean's depths. Fast forward again to around 500 million years ago, during an event known as the Cambrian explosion. This was a period of rapid evolution, where a vast array of creatures, many bizarre and alien to our eyes, roamed the oceans. Then, around 360 million years ago, the first pioneers ventured out of the water and onto land. These were the first amphibians, the forefathers of all land-dwelling animals. As millions of years passed, these early amphibians evolved. They developed hard shells around their eggs to protect them from the dry air. They became the first reptiles, and from them, the first mammals and birds would eventually evolve. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event led to the extinction of the dinosaurs, leaving mammals to inherit the Earth. In this new world, mammals thrived and diversified, giving rise to a myriad of species, including our own ancestors. Finally, around 2 million years ago, the first humans appeared on the scene. They were not much different from other primates, but they had one unique trait: a highly developed brain. This enabled them to use tools, control fire, and eventually build civilizations. And here we are today, the result of nearly 4 billion years of evolution. From the first molecules of RNA to the complex organisms that we are, the journey of evolution is a testament to the power of time and the unending drive of life.